Welcome back to the channel. Today we are about to experience something absolutely insane. The 2026 Scania MEGA DECK 88X88, a luxury double-decker motorhome built on a heavy-duty Scania platform that completely redefines what a mobile home can be. This is not just a truck. This is not just an RV. This is a rolling penthouse powered by pure Scandinavian engineering. Let's dive in. First, just look at the exterior presence. The bold, metallic red body instantly commands attention. The massive 8x8 wheel setup gives it an unstoppable, military-grade stance. This thing doesn't just sit on the road, it dominates it. The aggressive Scania front grille, sharp LED headlights, aerodynamic body lines, and panoramic tinted windows across both decks make it look futuristic and ultra-premium at the same time. From the side profile, the length and height are unbelievable. The dual deck design offers enormous interior space, yet the body still looks sleek and modern. The extended wheelbase improves stability, and those heavy-duty off-road tires mean this monster isn't afraid of highways, mountains, desert roads, or snow. Now let's talk about power. Under the hood, this MEGA DECK 8x8 is expected to carry a high-output Scania turbo diesel engine producing massive torque, and torque is what truly matters in a vehicle of this size. With an advanced automatic transmission system and intelligent drivetrain distribution across all 8 wheels, traction is phenomenal. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising at highway speeds, this machine feels confident and controlled. Despite its size, Scania's advanced steering system and driver assistance technologies make handling surprisingly smooth. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, stability management, and 360-degree camera systems transform this giant into something incredibly manageable. Now step inside, and this is where things get unreal. The lower deck opens into a luxury lounge that feels like a 5-star hotel suite. Premium leather seating with red accent stitching, ambient LED lighting, marble-style flooring, carbon fiber trims, and panoramic windows create a bright and ultra-modern atmosphere. The living area features a massive smart TV panel, integrated sound system, and a beautifully designed L-shaped sofa. This is not camping, this is executive-level traveling. Move toward the cockpit and you'll see a futuristic driver's zone. The leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunction controls feels premium and solid. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, RPM, navigation, and vehicle data in a clean red-themed interface. Everything looks sharp, modern, and driver-focused. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent thanks to the elevated seating position and wide windshield design. You feel powerful. You feel in control. Now let's head upstairs. The upper deck is where the private luxury continues. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with a premium upholstered headboard and soft ambient lighting. Large panoramic windows allow natural light during the day and a cozy atmosphere at night. Storage space is cleverly integrated with illuminated wardrobes and hidden compartments. There's also a wall-mounted smart TV, climate control system, and high-quality sound insulation for maximum comfort while parked or moving. And yes, this motorhome includes a full luxury bathroom, modern sink design, glass-enclosed shower area, premium fittings, and smart lighting give it a high-end apartment feel. The kitchen area is equally impressive. You get built-in appliances, induction cooktop, refrigerator, sleek cabinetry, and plenty of countertop space. Everything is designed to maximize efficiency without sacrificing style. Now, imagine taking this on a long highway journey. The 8x8 system provides incredible stability even at higher speeds. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections, keeping the cabin comfortable and smooth. Take it off the highway, desert, snow, muddy terrain, and those 8-driven wheels deliver serious grip. This is where most luxury motorhomes would struggle. But the MEGA DECK is built on a serious truck platform. It's engineered for endurance. Safety is another major highlight. Advanced braking systems, traction control, reinforced chassis construction, and intelligent monitoring systems make it secure for long-distance travel. Scania's reputation for durability and heavy-duty reliability adds another layer of confidence. Fuel efficiency in a vehicle this size won't match smaller RVs, but for what it offers, power, space, luxury, and capability, it's built for buyers who prioritize performance and comfort over economy. So, who is this for? This is for entrepreneurs, luxury travelers, motorsport teams, high-end adventurers, and anyone who wants to travel without compromising lifestyle. It's a statement vehicle. Wherever it goes, it turns heads. The 2026 Scania MEGA DECK 8x8 isn't just transportation. It's freedom, it's power, it's mobile luxury at an entirely different level. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme luxury motorhomes ever imagined, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and tell me in the comments, would you take this beast to the mountains, the desert, or a cross-country highway tour? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.